consequent upon the death of our beloved brother Jones St. Hill. PMVP, Constellation Lodge number 4948 of the Grand United Order of Odd Fellows, wishes to notify all branches of the order, including the patriarchs, members of the Jubilee Council, officers, members of Subordinate Lodge, and of the Household of Roof number 6776, that the funeral service of our late brother takes place on Tuesday, 18th December 2012 at 3 p.m. at the Holy Trinity Anglican Church, Trinity Church Road. However, the patriarchs and council members are requested to assemble at Rambali's Funeral Parlor on Calvary Road no later than 1:30 p.m., while others will assemble on the grounds of the churchyard to await the cortege. The burial takes place at the Anglican Church Cemetery, Trinity Church Road. Special note: all members attending the funeral are requested to be attired in black suits, hats, gloves, and full regalia. Please be guided accordingly. Malcolm Bone, Permanent Secretary, Constellation Lodge.